Hello, dear educator. Once again, you are welcome back in English Wallah. Dear educator, Mr. Sunil Tiwari is welcoming to you in my platform where we are discussed your figure of speech. Today also I'm going to discuss another figure of speech. There is a figure of speech onomatopoeia, very common. Why it is common? Because in a sentence there is a need how to recognize them. Where is the figure of speech of onomatopoeia? Really, I will tell you trick. In this figure of speech, you have to just detect where is the producing of the sound. Here, yeah, there. If you're watching a statement and you recognized maybe there is a sound word, s, lee, ring, beep, dum, truck. These type of the sounds, if you were recognized from a statement, so definitely will say there is none other than what we can call there is onomatopoeia. Very interesting, the figure of speech. Why? Because within one word we can recognize it when you have heard sound. Oh, something. Yes. Oh, it means that if you recognize via the sound, you will say about that there is a figure of speech of onomatopoeia. Let me define it. The formation of word, the formation of word, the formation of word point to be noted. This is the key factor. Along with the sound, formation of word along with the sound. Where is the sound? Point to be noted. Perfect. Of what kind of the sounds? Which type of the sounds? Mostly time you are heard sounds either from orchestra, you're from animals, you're from the electronic devices. In there, you have heard. We can call there is a figure of speech. Let me ask you, if I will say to you about here, I have paper. Yeah, this is the paper sound onomatopoeia. So where is the sound of drum? Where is the sound of trumpet? Dum 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 dum. Trumpet. Yeah, thunder. Wow. Just like that. Here we can say mew, meow. That's word. Then after roar. Yeah, just like the lion. Buzz. Mm, mm. This type of sound. Yeah, we can call if your phone is ring. Mm, mm, mm. Here we can say the car is crash. Chew. Shh. Yeah, we can crash like that. We can call here you have heard the print on the road of the tire of the car. We can call definitely there is a time to the say the figure of a speech is none other than wale onomatopoeia. Nice the recognition of them. If you have noticed the sound only, if you have noticed sound only, we can call there is a mean of the figure of a speech. Really, let me ask it how we can call the recognition of the sound. I told you the multiple of sound. Other animal, I have the buffalo. I have heard the sound of ba, ba. We can call which kind of the figure of a speech? A animal for eating out the food to produce the sound of the bone. Which figure of a speech? We can call onomatopoeia. Still, this is a very normal in the sense of that. I hope you are understanding the well the mean of the figure of a speech. But let me recall once again. Onomatopoeia, the formation of the word along with the sound. Formation of word along with a sound like a drum, trumpet, thunder, new, lion roared, buzz, ring, and crest. So all these is specifically the term which we are used as a sound in the creation of the meaning of that statement. This is called the figure of speech, is onomatopoeia. So dear educator, you will understand very well about that. I hope this is a very beneficial for our classroom. Before the leaving, I request you subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.